What's up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topic about the legendary New York rapper 50 Cent. World tour continues with 50, Tony, Yayo and Uncle Murder. Rappers already visited Brazil, Austria, Finland, Norway, Germany, and now their last performance was in Sofia, Bulgaria. As always, crowd was lit and 50, Tony, Yayo and Uncle Murder had amazing live performance. After so many years, they still having epic lives, cause they are true professionals and the real OGs.
By the car, man, that nigga shoot you like that.
So one
Try to remix it, my nigga.
go right to 50 house. What do I do next, brother?
Guys, as you see, Curtis Jackson continues his successful tour with Tony, Yayo and Uncle Murder. Last night's show was absolutely insane, man. This was so beautiful in front of 30k fans, man. The energy was insane, bro. Also guys, we have way more shows on the way. If you are in Europe and have chance to meet your heroes, you don't miss your opportunity, man. G-Unit all day. Big shout out and love to 50 Cent, Tony, Yayo and Uncle Murder, man. G-Unit till I die. Also guys, before I finish the video, I want to say major shout out to Jay Bettis for this exclusive footage, man. I want to send all my love to 50 Cent crew, man. I love you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells and visit hiphoptvy.com. Thanks for watching. Peace.
'96, it is the day I was born and I'm 26. How many things, how many good years have been? Sometimes I gotta feel like I'm dealing with my demons and win. I'm trying to be myself but I got tons of problems and it sings. Hanging out on the street every day, I got nightmares that I dream. So many fake